Sheesh.
I just wanna stay asleep, stay asleep.
What is up, y'all? It's your boy Waiian back with another video. And actually I got an install video for you guys today. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install these fiber optic headliner lights. Now as you guys can see, the garage is a big mess. You guys saw in the previous video that we were trying to get this thing running again. We're still waiting on a couple things, and should be done soon, so stay tuned for that. And then we also got these. That video is going to come soon as well. Throughout the video, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to actually install this, because I know I looked up a couple of videos and they were kind of unclear, so I'll go ahead and make sure that you guys know everything so that you guys can actually do this yourself. So let's go. So the tools that I'll be using right now to actually take the headliner off would be Phillips. I also have a flathead, and I also have a trim tool remover. I might have to use my plastic one just because this is a iron one and it might damage the headliner. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these two clips off right here, pop them, pull them out. That's one. Twist it, pull it out, and that'll be two. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and swing this back over and then pop this clip and then pop the one on the other side, so we just have access to the I believe it's 2 Phillips head screws. These can break so easily, but they're super hard to get off, so you just have to work it out. Alright, so I got number 1 pulled out. Just go ahead and release this clip right here just to fully take it out, get it out the way. So yeah, like I said, number 1 is right here. This is the driver's side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for this side right here. You want to go ahead and stick a flathead through and then just twist it, and then it should pop right off. Like that, nice and simple, same process. You want to go ahead and just take these 2 Phillips head screws out. Okay, so for the next step, you want to go ahead and remove this clip. I already did it before that, so just take this off, and this will be a 14 mil. You just take that off so that you're actually able to get to this plastic pillar right here. That's 1. Number 2. Once that comes off, go ahead and put it to the side. Just leave it alone for now. Alright, so we actually got all the pieces off. So now we're gonna go ahead and just move this weather stripping out the way. Alright, so I went ahead and just pulled this back all the way through. You can actually see the headliner coming out just a little bit. So the next part would actually be taking this plastic filler off. Just gotta be gentle with it. There is a couple of clips in here. Don't want to be too aggressive with it, but it should come out just like that. So now that I have this little piece off, I went ahead and pulled this one off. You don't have to take it off completely, just enough so that the headliner can actually just slide out. So throughout the back, you can see that it's not holding in it at all. So we're gonna go ahead and do it to the other side. The A pillar and then the B pillar back here. Alright, 1. Sorry guys, so my GoPro actually died, so where I left off, I just pulled this second piece out. And on most videos, they won't actually show you this. So these 2 clips need to be popped out so that the headliner can come down. The blue, what is it, like Sharpie on it? So you press down on this clip and this just pops out just like that. So I think right now what I'm going to try and do is just pull it out and everything should be free. So alright, so right as you can see here, we got the headliner removed. I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes and insert the fiber optics. Alright, so what I pretty much did was just go ahead and mark where I'm just going to go ahead and poke the holes through. You can see I got the Z in the middle. Got some clusters surrounding it, and then just some random stars as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start poking these through and start sliding them through. So let's go. I think it's like 2 hours later or something like that, and I've got like pretty much just 1/4 of it done. So I've got this one and this one. Alright, as you guys can see, 2 out of 3 done. It's not fully glued down yet, but at the end, once I finish that side, I'll go ahead and glue it down. So 2 more hours later, and finally got this side finished. I need to glue it down and then trim it, and it should be able to go back in. All right, so the headliner's back in. Everything's bolted down. The only thing I really didn't do is trim them, so I'll probably do it tomorrow. And then also have to tuck this. I just have it hanging out the bag just because it's like 9 o'clock at night. I was just trying to hurry up, so. But yeah, just stay tuned for the final results once this is trimmed. So guys, I'm actually currently at work right now. It's like 6 in the morning, but I had some time, so I thought I'd cut just a little bit of it. But it's looking good so far, man. I got 2/3 of the way to go still, but I like it. So I'm just pretty much putting back all the trim. You guys didn't see this, but I actually tucked all the wires throughout the headliner, and actually found a way to tuck it through kind of this middle console. So actually I can go ahead and show you guys now. So this is what it looks like right now. Nothing's really sticking out, it's all trimmed. I'll go ahead and turn this light off and let you guys see what I'm rocking with. Not really cold start, but sheesh. This right here is supposed to be a Z pattern, but it didn't really come out the way I expected it. But and then comes into the port. I got the remote here. You can change colors. Sheesh. Got a flash mode. Got a breathing mode. Overall super clean. Super simple. I mean, definitely worth the money that I've spent. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here. We got a couple of other installs coming up soon, so just wait on those. My coilovers, it will be on soon, but I am waiting for my other control arms. So yeah, just look out for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will catch you guys later. So see ya.
I just wanna stay asleep, stay asleep.